In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture tasks in Microsoft To Do. If you want a quick and simple way to add tasks without slowing down your workflow, Microsoft To Do makes it very easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to capture a task directly from the My Day view and include a due date as part of the task you're creating, so everything is organized right from the start. To begin, open Microsoft To Do and go to the My Day page. This is a great place to capture tasks because it gives you a focused view of what you want to pay attention to right now. Even if the task is something you need to complete later, starting in My Day is a fast way to get it out of your head and into your system. Once you're on the My Day screen, click into the task entry field and start typing your task. As you write, include the due date directly in the task title. For example, you could type something like Submit Report on Friday. This is a helpful habit because it allows you to capture both the action and the timing in one step. It also makes task entry feel more natural, almost like you're writing a note to yourself instead of filling out a form. After entering the task, add the due date. Microsoft To Do can often recognize a date written naturally in the task title, which helps speed things up and reduces the number of clicks you need. If needed, confirm the due date so the task is properly scheduled. This is important because adding a due date makes it easier to sort, prioritize, and review your work later. A good tip here is to keep your task names clear and action-oriented. Instead of writing something vague, use a phrase that tells you exactly what needs to be done. Pairing that with a due date helps turn a rough reminder into a task you can actually follow through on. That's all it takes to capture a task in Microsoft To Do. You open My Day, type the task using natural language with the date included, and then add or confirm the due date. It's a small process, but it can make a big difference in keeping your responsibilities organized and making sure nothing slips through of the cracks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.